gutted, as I'm sure all of us are right now. There's been so much said about how we feel about this team, but right now I feel let down and disappointed. I know we're still top. I know we didn't lose. Coming out of last week, was it 2 points lost or a point gained? You know, still up in the air about that one. But today, there's no doubt in anybody's minds that it's 2 points dropped. And what pisses me off, right, is why is it when we go 2-0 up, we just almost then play to not go after the next goal. We just go within ourselves again. Like, why not get free and then do that? Like, when are they going to learn? How many times? It's happened so many times. Even against Liverpool, when we were 2 up, we should have gone for it, and we don't. And again, it's cost us. That's not down to inexperience, because it's the senior players that I see trying to take this thing out of the game. So, it's a fucking joke. I mean, listen, we've got to gain some level of perspective. We're still top. We didn't lose. And it's 2 away games, right? But if you're fighting for the title, if we're just off the Champions League, then fair. Clap it all day. Take that. It's a blight. Do you know what I'm saying? But we're fighting for the fucking league. And we looked a shadow of ourselves. We looked void of any ideas, any creativity in that second half. I don't know if it's the pressure. I can't see it. It's been the pressure because the first 10-15 minutes were unbelievable. Fucking highlight of that game with Declan Rice. Can't wait to see if he comes to join us next season. He just had it. Other than that, what the fuck? Just dead. Properly dead, mate. I don't know, man. I believed all season. All season I've believed. Even before going into it, and all season fully believed. But this one's not to me, I'm not going to lie. There's so much to play for, so much to go for, so it's hope now, and it's the hope that kills you. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Vital that we get that win against Southampton. Even from sense of momentum going into that City game. Do you know what I'm saying? We could be looking at it where we beat Southampton, beat City, and we grow from this, but we've got to take this now as just trying to think how Arteta would be in the changing room. You know, everyone's down, how are you going to pick them up? But they need to stew in this. They really need to stew in this. Because the thing is, standard day in Leeds for you, yeah? Probably kicking off at performance. Nah, they've got to wallow in that. They've got to look at themselves. They've got to take a strong, deep look at themselves and say, do they want it? And start fighting like they want it again. Because they've been class this season. But these past 2 games, it's almost like we've took it for granted that it's too easy. And we've switched off, and that switching off is where we're slipping up. When are we going to birth this ruthlessness? When are we going to birth this ruthlessness? Goal difference could be so critical in this as well. I just don't know why we go 2 and then we just think, nah, let's coast it, we've won. That's cost us 4 points in the past 2 games, mate. So, we'll see, man. Perspective is we're still top, as I say, but that felt like a loss. It's just a bit of a fucking wounder at the minute, innit? As you can hear in my voice. Shocked. I'm in shock. So, yeah. Stay upbeat if you can. Let's go again Friday. Peace and light. Victoria Concordia Crescent, man.